Hey everyone, this is a Hunter Lexington Ceiling Fan. This fan is from sometime in 1999, I know that. This is my first fan to have the Air Max motor. Let's see if I can find the tag. Oh, it's right there. I think it's an early Air Max motor fan. This fan's in kind of rough condition. As you can tell, the switch housing's tilted. Came flush mounted. Yeah, the fan itself is in pretty rough condition. This is all dented, but it's a cool fan. I also got this from JJ. This fan also has a bad capacitor. High is like the same, if not slightly slower than medium. Yeah, a couple of the fans I got from JJ have bad capacitors. The Stonington did, but I put a new capacitor in it. I'm not sure what else is going to have a bad capacitor, but we're going to find out. There's low. This is a very powerful fan, though, for being very slow. Go to medium. This fan would be really fast, because medium is already, like, a decent speed. Oh, wow. Just this cap is making it buzz. Yeah, there's medium. Blows a good amount of air. And then here's high. Yeah, I feel like it slows down a little bit. But yeah, it still was a good amount of air. Thank you for watching. Bye.